Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nature Cure Lab. In this video we will see the recipe of the miracle drink for immune system and the properties of 8 ingredients of this immune booster. Garlic, ginger, lemonade, immune boosting refreshing drinks, a natural remedy that helps boost and support the immune system. Recipe to make garlic ginger lemonade drink. Ingredients: 1. 3 pieces garlic cloves. 2. 1/4 pieces ginger. 3. 1 piece lemon. 4. 2 tablespoons honey natural. 5. 1/4 number cinnamon stick. 6. 10-gram turmeric. 7. 1 number astragalus root. 8. Few mint leaves finely chopped. 9. 3 cups water. Number 1. Bring 3 cups of water to boil. Add garlic, ginger, cinnamon sticks, astragalus root, turmeric. Number 2. Simmer the mixture of water for 25 minutes. Number 3. Strain the water, mix the honey and fresh lemon juice. Finally add the chopped mint leaves to the drink. The presence of 8 top natural immune boosters makes this refreshing drink a miracle drink. Garlic is antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial. Eating garlic can boost the amount of virus-fighting T cells in the bloodstream. Garlic is a miracle herb for supporting the immune system. Ginger is used in several Ayurvedic medicines as the main ingredient due to the presence of an active phenolic compound gingerol, shagaol, and peridol, which makes ginger an important immunity booster. Lemon is great for immune support, a great source of vitamin C, fiber, minerals, and essential oils. Cinnamon is a good antioxidant. Antioxidants are substances known to prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. The medicinal properties of turmeric are able to boost the immune system, even in people with immune diseases. Honey is a good source of minerals such as iron, calcium, and magnesium. The phytonutrients in honey are responsible for their antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal power. Natural honey has shown immune-boosting ability. Astragalus root is an herb that has been used in traditional Chinese medicine as one of the main ingredients. It has many health benefits, including immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. Mint leaves contain phosphorus, calcium, and vitamins like C, D, E, and A, which improve the immune system. It also protects your cells from any structural damage. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. If you want more natural medicine and tips, subscribe to this channel. Thank you, stay safe.